अच्छा पीछे आ जाओ, पीछे आ जाओ।
क्या आ रहा है मुझे भी दिखाना।
मैम इधर, मैम ये सेंटर, मैम सेंटर, मैम ये सेंटर।
रोमांस की बात करें तो सदियों तक जो आवाज़ रोमांस में डूबी हुई है और गूंजती होगी वो सोनू निगम जी की आवाज़। ऐसे ना 2 मिनट जो मतलब एकदम सही है।
हाँ बिल्कुल
चलेगा आराम से।
2 मिनट तो
बोला महाराज
बिंदा सामने से आवाम मत।
आप लोगों ने पूछा था मुझे गाना, तो एक गाना जो हम लोग दोनों को बहुत हमारे दिल के करीब है, वो एक मूवी है दिल तो बच्चा है जी, उसका गाना है तेरे बिन ना देखूं मैं सुबह। तो उसके लिरिक्स भी बहुत प्यारे हैं। अब मुझसे ये मत बोलना कि गा के सुना, तो मैं तो गा के नहीं सुना, तो आप गूगल करो।
थैंक यू
सो
मैम।
मच। थैंक यू।
वेलकम मैम।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
ये आएगा लोडिया जी।
Happy Valentine's Day, guys.
भाई फोन यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे
मैम सबसे पहले तो
Can you
Valentine's Day है।
can we do it in English? Is that all right?
Yeah,
Okay.
today is Valentine's Day and you
Yeah.
have come over here at the Rohit Verma's store. So tell us about that.
Well, what am I supposed to say? It's Saint Valentine's Day. It's supposed to be a special day for lovers. हालांकि हम भारत में ये सोचते हैं कि lovers तो मतलब गुप्त है, मतलब सब लोगों का प्यार हम यहाँ साबित करते हैं. I don't agree with that. I think it is essentially for lovers, and that's something to celebrate too. And I'm happy they're doing that. Anyway, in this store, they're celebrating everything, and they've used Valentine's Day as a special occasion, and to get a lot of people to mix and meet and maybe buy presents for each other. Rohit's store is a beautiful store. It's very all-encompassing. He has clothes for men and women, and they are across a price range from very affordable to special occasion clothing. He also makes sure that he contributes a fair amount of his proceeds to charitable causes. And it's just a wonderful store with a great ambiance and atmosphere throughout the year. He has all kinds of interesting designs. मुझे खास तौर पे एक अच्छी बात लगी is that he takes a lot of traditional embroidery and patterns and concepts, and he matches it up with something that's very urban, so that people in an urban environment, in a city situation, will enjoy wearing those clothes for all kinds of occasions. So I wish him all the very best of luck. I have known him for many years, and I've seen him growing and growing, and he's really quite fantastic and a wonderful person to meet. And I think all of you should at least visit this store. I'm sure you'll be mesmerized by the decor and the Vatavaran, and you will want to buy something. As I said, it suits every kind of pocket, And yes, so come and see the stuff. And it's beautiful. It's very happy making. It has very positive vibrations. So have a wonderful time and happy St. Valentine's Day.
But that's
But
best.
I like that more.
I told you what you will like. I know.
Yeah, I
My,
like that other.
now, even Sunny has freaked on this.
Anna,
Everybody loves this one.
this is beautiful. I have it already. Oof. Congratulations,
Thank you,
Rohit.
darling.
All
Thank
the very
you.
best.
Thank you for coming. Thank
And
you.
happy Valentine once again.
Happy Valentine's!
Love. Okay, I see you super soon.
See you
Thank
soon,
you.
yeah.
We'll take a bite over here. Okay. Navir.
Valentine's Day, so what you have to say about it? You can come over here to visit Rohit's store also, so tell us something about that.
So Rohit is all about love, all about emotion, and he's expressing it very, very beautiful with his clothes and design and collection. And nothing better to celebrate Valentine's Day than with him in his store and celebrate his years of experience and his beautiful collection and of course his success. So I love him lots. He's
Thank
my
you.
darling. So
Thank
I'm
you.
always there for you.
And tell us something about definition of love. So what is the definition of love for you?
I think nowadays, self-love is also extremely important, and you should learn how to love people and accept them how they are, rather than trying to change them or trying to I think a lot of expectation is what can destroy love. And I think if you will take it easy and actually concentrate and give just this unconditional love, I think people and the humanity will be much, much more happier. So, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day, Rohit. I believe in the emotion for love. But he's an amazing person. He's always loving, kind.
So wait.
And even today, whenever we meet on certain events like Filmfare, he will see me, he will still remember, he will still say beautifully hi to me. So, just to be around him, it just means a lot. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what? I think I'm very proud of the industry.
Very tough for people to understand, and I think so. You have to compromise something or the other because love. If you want to fall in love, you have to fall in love with your own self and your vision. I think you believe in him. He's my boyfriend. He's my supporter. He's my everything. So I think I love my work and I love my Krishna.
Wait.
As a person, I fall in love with every time, and how it is. It's tough because kind of the acceptance of society is there. So it's very tough to have such a right in life. And let's not talk about the past. Let's talk about the future. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about celebrating who you are. मैं उनको पूरी सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. मैंने ट्वीट भी किया था कि बारे में बहुत सारे बॉलीवुड स्टार्स मैं भगवान की तरह बहुत अच्छे इंसान
Thank you.
हैं वो हमेशा मेरे को मिले ऐसे गले लगा के मिले.
ये तो कैसा हो गया है?
Chali, ready? Are we rolling? Rohit, we are here today at Rohit Verma and the Valentine is being celebrated. It looks so colorful, so beautiful. Tell us more about the newer collection and about you celebrating Valentine with Madhurima.
So yeah, so Madhurima Didi and me have a very, very emotional bond, and Rinka too. She's not there, she's a camera shy, she's sitting over there. But Madhurima Didi and me shares two bodies, one relationship, one soul relationship. And when she was coming from Dubai, so Didi just said, Ki, what are you doing in Valentine's? So I said, Didi, nothing, let's go out for dinner. Ki, why don't I do something in your store? And let's celebrate. But unfortunately, when we started inviting people, a lot of things, events are happening today. But still the turnout is so good. And thank you, Madhurima Didi, for always being there like a sister to me. We are like a soul sister. And I genuinely love her a lot. And I launched my new line, which is my draped drama gowns line. And of course, Oud has launched this beautiful perfume, which is also Valentine's related. And I think you should try the fragrance. You will love it.
I've been wearing it all evening.
Yes, it's a lovely fragrance. So what's the best occasion to launch these two things at Valentine's?
Thank you. Thank you. So I'm in obviously Rohit Verma collection, and this was from the Gidda collection. But I wanted to wear this because this depicts so much of color, and Valentine is all about love, bringing color to your life with love. And here it was not about just celebrating it with your partner. It was just celebrating with our friends, people whom we love, and at the same time, Idol, like Rohit said, introduced this perfume. And I primarily live in Dubai now, so Oud is one of my favorite fragrances. And when Raj introduced me to this fragrance, I was so taken over. I said, we have to do this on Valentine's Day. And as a matter of fact, he's also got this beautiful thing which we call...
And we have launched the hair perfume as well here.
Yeah. So this is the hair perfume. This is for the first time that this has been launched in India.
God, it feels so beautiful.
And वाकई it's very nice. And the best thing is कि आपके बालों को ये damage नहीं करता है. हम लोग बहुत conscious होते हैं अपने बाल लेके, skin लेके हम क्या लगा रहे हैं. So this is a wonderful product. And since I come from Dubai, so I will endorse it furthermore because this smells so good. तो आप कहीं पे भी जाएंगे, so you're carrying that fragrance around you, and what better than on Valentine's Day. Tell us about this hair perfume. Sounds so interesting.
So this is the hair perfume we have launched here in India by Oud by Idol name, and this product contains more like serum, and it doesn't have alcohol, so it's good for your hair. So yeah, this is the product we launched especially for Valentine.
And it's got a very woody feel to it, as
Yeah,
well
it's
as
very-
there's a citrusy fragrance. So ना generally oud बहुत strong होता है, and it's overbearing. But when you walk in with this fragrance, it blends with. So what is perfume? Perfume blends with the oils of your body. So this kind of blends with your body oil, and it gives you a very nice and fresh feel. So I really love this. There's another perfume you mentioned.
Yeah, this is special for Valentine collection, Gardenia Petals. So we have launched right now for Valentine, and one more collection we have got. This Oud, which is the fragrance from Dubai, and these are top fragrance sold in Dubai, and now it's available in India. So yeah, if you're looking for a best Oud collection from Dubai, so you don't have to go to Dubai now. It's available in India. You can check our store.
At Oud X Rohit Verma store in Juhu Tara Road. Yeah, to be precise.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Very much. Yes.
कहते हैं कि प्यार में बहुत खुशबू होती है, तो आज मैं ऐसी जगह पर हूँ जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी इतने सारे अच्छे कलाकार भी हैं और अच्छे एंटिटीज़ भी हैं. एंड ऊद हमारे जो आइडल हैं, आइडल बाय ऊद जो है, आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेग्रेंस दे हैव क्रिएटेड. एंड thanks to Rohit as well. Thanks to Raj Bhaiya as well for inviting me. I think it's a beautiful moment for all the people who love their loved ones. I think this is the best time to come over here and definitely buy something for their love. So that's what I would like to say. Ki this is the best moment for me today with my love, with my wife as well. So, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
दरवाजा बंद करना पड़ेगा, आवाज आ रही है, पुल कर लो। हाँ चलिए
Thank you. First of all, thank you for inviting me here. I think it's such an amazing feeling to be part of something which has been beautifully curated. Rohit Verma, as you all know, he's famous for his strong, bold and fearless fashion. So I'm wearing one of them. And Madhurima Nigam, of course, she's added her flavor of elegance and fashion to it. So I think it's a beautiful collaboration. And all the best to both of them. And it's lovely to be here today. And happy Valentine's Day to everyone. So I'm just currently working in Anupama serial. I'm the lead antagonist in that. Plus my Amar Vishwas web series have been released on February 11th. Plus I'm also coming on the Wife's Madhur Bhandarkar sir's movie. Then the Great Punjab Robbery is another movie that's coming. April 17 is the release date. And apart from that, O Saathi Re by Imtiaz Ali and Andekhi season 4. And rest I'll keep it to the suspense.
Thank you so much. That's a lot, and we're looking forward to watch it.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is what I did by Idol. Idol, we have 6 shows on Mumbai. So we are starting to wait from last 20 years. India, we have one this brand. We have 6 stores now in India also. So after opening the stores, it's actually best of the job. It's very nice. I see the Idol that's great. So this is a new venture here. And basically, we are safe.
I was in the Middle East. I was quite few months. There only, I was there only. Then I shifted to Middle East. It is an amazing
This is the color of the season and color for
Yes.
Valentine's Day, and you're here at Rohit Varma and Goodbye Adil, and tell us about this love-driven collection today.
I think coming to his boutique, you always kind of see something new and refreshing, and today is no different. I just love the colors he plays with. Of course, I'm very biased because I love him. And so I'm very happy to be here on Valentine's Day, share this special day also with him, and wishing him all the best, that all his clothes fly off the rack because he truly deserves it. No? Yes.
I mean, of course, it's an amazing collection. I've seen it, I've seen his store grow, and I've seen him grow so much as a designer. So I think today's collection, whatever he's added, has been fabulous, and it's gonna rock. Everybody is into pinks and whites and reds, and it's also Shadi ka season,
Yes,
so everybody's
yes.
into all that.
And there is also a new hair perfume which is launched
Wow.
by Amla and Raj. I would like to show.
Ah, sure,
Oh,
sure.
hair perfume, that's something that we all need because we party so much. Yeah. And that's always a hit with women.
सबसे पहले तो आप लोगों को देख के मुझे 90s ही याद आता है.
Acha.
I used to watch your serials that time. So this is hair perfume we have launched
Oud
here.
black. Wow.
I'll spell my hand
Yes.
here.
Wow.
So it's a serum based perfume.
Wow.
Oh, it's
Oh
a
my
serum
God.
based perfume.
Yeah.
So
ये
yum.
अच्छा है.
And this is especially from Dubai only.
Oh.
All this our
Yeah,
products.
yeah, yeah. Because all
our
those
products, yeah,
women
are-
to smell divine.
They literally smell divine, yeah.
Literally. Very
all
nice.
our
Yeah,
these products are from Dubai only.
very nice. Very nice.
बहुत अच्छा है. Very nice concept.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to see you. Yes, nice to see you too.
रुक यार.
Valentine's Day. Thank you. Let's take with my phone.
Thank you.
Wait. Okay.
Thank you. Hello. How are you? All good?
Yeah, ma'am, look here.
Wednesday.
We'll start from here.
Where is he?
Thank you.
Wait.
यहाँ पे
Okay.
How are you? So good to see you. कहाँ गए दुबई?
फिर
अच्छा दुबई से. Okay, I spoke to Bharat also. So he wasn't. Yeah, ऐसे generally बात हो रही थी regarding IPL and everything. So I was busy in IPL. No, but 3 दिन so we were in ITC only. Okay, so we grabbed Punjab and GT.
हम यहाँ पे
मैम लुक है.
Thank you. ठीक है ठीक है
फिर भेजना सब पारुल को बोलना
पार्टी है नहीं नहीं इधर नहीं टाउन
डायलॉग दीजिए मेरे को मुझे ना ये लाइट मेरे फेस पे अच्छी नहीं लगती है तो थोड़ी सी हमें चेंज करनी हाँ ये लाइट इधर बेटर है ट्रस्ट हमें भी पता है लाइक
वो गेट वन
आएंगी
अभी हरे कृष्णा आप लोग उधर थे ना मैं पाऊँ पड़ता लेकिन वो क्या है जब आप उधर थे मैं सोचा था बैलेंस हो जाओ फिर मैं
Sure. Take one na first, then I'll do the sound bite.
Let's take this one.
इधर ही ले लो.
No, you want to the store in the background.
We can sit here. Poonam ji looking lovely today. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Rohit ji store pe celebrating Valentine's with this new collection. What do you have to say?
First of all, happy Valentine's to everybody who's here and who's watching us. A very special day with your loved ones. And I think whenever I come to Rohit's store, I do expect a lot. But sometimes he surprises me by giving me better than what I expected. The first time I'm coming to his new store, and I knew he would always do something very artistic, very classy. But then I always get blown when I come here. Rohit, this is even better than I expected. So I'm so proud of him. He's so hardworking. He is so talented. The kind of things he puts together. Every time, you know, he'll show me something and say, "ये आप try करा दे." नहीं मेरा पहनने के बाद वो कुछ अलग ही लगता है. So his vision is way more than most of our vision is because he's very creative, very artistic. So I wish you all the best,
Thank you,
Rohit.
Mama. Thank you.
Rohit.
Also, Mama, देखो Oud perfume मैंने launch किया है इंडिया में पहली बार, and you have to try. This is one of my favorite fragrance, and you have to give your feedback.
I love Oud. अभी थोड़ा मेरे को सूखने तो दो.
Yeah. But you have been very encouraging, love of my life. I think mine and Pua Mama's relationship is beyond words. She's my godmother. She's always in my goods and my bads. She's the one who always feeds me with beautiful food of curry chawal ever since Big Boss Day. And thank you, Mama, for being part of my journey. Thank you for being part of my world. And thank you for being there always for me.
Wish you all the best.